Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to the new session. Today we are going to start the next lesson, that is Gopal and the Hilsa fish. This story is different compared to others. This is expressed or narrated through the pictures and dialogues. Let us know the introduction. This story is presented in the form of a comic. Comic is a story which is narrated through the pictures, right? A comic is a picture story that combines images and text to convey a story in a condensed form. Condensed means made more concise, compressed. The story made very short and it is narrated through the text and pictures. Right, here we have the list of characters. There are four main characters in this lesson, in this story. First one is the king. Second one is the courtiers. Courtiers means the advisory ministers who are present in the court or in the palace. Next one, Gopal. Gopal is the main character of this story. The entire story revolves around him. And lastly, Gopal's wife. These are the four characters. Now, let us know about the story. Vocabulary list. First one is fishmongers. Fishmongers means traders in fish. The people who have the business or dealership of the fish. They are called fishmongers. Fish vendors, we can say. Downcast. Downcast means down with shame. Down with shame. Due to the shamefulness, they have the bowed head. Later. Later means afterwards. Smearing. Next one is smearing. Smearing means daubing. Putting something on the body. Smearing means what we can say wiping. Disgraceful. Disgraceful means shameful in a bad manner. Rags. Rags means torn clothes, old clothes. Mystic. Mystic means mystery, difficult to explain. Something which is difficult to understand, that is called mystery. Mystic, difficult to explain. Next one is want. Want means desire, expectation, wishes, right? Get away. Get away means be off, vacating, going away. At once. At once means instantly, immediately. Crazy. Next word is crazy. Crazy means fanciful. Next one is ridiculous. Ridiculous means humorous, funful. And lastly, strangely, in odd manner, differently. These are the new words. You have to write these in the notebook. And now let us know about the characters in detail. Character sketch of Gopal from the story Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Let us know about the main character of this lesson, Gopal. Gopal was a famous courtier in the palace of king. He was brave and bold, and when the time came, he did not shy away from the taking the challenge. Rather, he went ahead, got into the form of a beggar, and brought the Hilsa fish inside the palace without being raising a hype about it. Gopal was a character. He was a minister. He was a courtier in the court, in the palace, and when he faced the challenge from the king, he took the role of beggar. He pretended as a beggar and brought a Hilsa fish from the market. Gopal was a famous courtier in the palace of king. He was a courtier. He was brave and bold, very open-hearted. He was very brave and bold. When the time came, he did not shy away from taking the challenge. He was not hesitating for anything. He would take everything easily. Whenever the time would knock at him, he would be ready with his intelligence. Right? Rather, he went ahead, got into the form of a beggar, and brought the Hilsa fish inside the palace without being raising a hype about it. When the king gave a challenge that anyone courtier would bring the Hilsa fish without noticing by anyone. At that time, all the courtiers hesitated to do that, but Gopal took it easy and made it to realize them. Gopal was a simple and down to earth person. He would take any state, he would reach any state. That means he would go for any level. Otherwise, people at courtiers position do not go to such low levels just to impress their king. He was a well competitor for the other courtiers to impress themselves. Right? The challenge that Gopal took suggested that he could take up any form of resemblance. He took the challenge that shows he would be ready for anything to do. Resemblance means comparison. There would be no other person to compare him. Because of good values, Gopal is favorite of the king. He was very intelligent and he would follow values and ethics. So, Gopal was the favorite minister of the king. This is the brief introduction of the story. In the next session, let us go through the comic with the pictures. Thank you. Have a nice day.